Hello Ford tractor fans. Today we're going to be pulling this Sherman combo out of this 640. The transmission in this 640 needed some dental work, had some broken teeth. Anyway, before I put it here before the winter, it had some water in the trans. And you'll see the water coming out now. I just cracked that plug so the water can come out. Once the water is done coming out, then what I'll do is take that pan over and take the rest of the oil out so it's below the slinger on the Sherman, so we can remove the Sherman. And that'll be another video. Okay, see you in a short. Bye.